Hey YouTube, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews, and we're here with another video. This time we have the case review for the Motorola Razr Fold 2026 that I have here. And this is from that wonderful company that we feature prominently on my channel, Poetic. But before we get into the case review and unboxing, if you can please like, subscribe to this channel, we greatly appreciate it. Thanks for all the love and support. Well, let's get to it. Well, it's that time again where we have another phone and we have another case. If you see this wireless charger and you see this Magsafe wallet, you know it's testing time for a case. And we're gonna test the case to make sure that it fits very well, so fitment is great. We're gonna make sure that there's no restrictions when it comes to wireless charging. And then lastly, does it look good at the end of the day? And is the price point where you want it? So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's just start with a little bit of information. So you can get this on Amazon, and this is the Poetic Spartan for the Motorola Razr Fold with the hinge case and Magsafe. You can get this for $59.95. Right now they're running a deal where it's actually $53. So is that worth protecting your $2,000 phone? $50 is pretty good. So, but you know, the first thing we're gonna do is unbox this thing. So let's go ahead and get started. So we got our Poetic casing and our Poetic nomenclature, and it's always in black. It's always going to look great. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Okay, they give you the extended warranty card. They have your adhesive replacement. When you have a foldable phone, the front screen definitely is going to use one of these adhesive strips, because you're going to be able to keep it together when you open and close the phone. So that's you're going to keep that for later, just in case you switch cases. And here we go. Now, the Spartan case for the Motorola Razr Fold here is clear, and it has a Magsafe ring around it, and it has a stand, as I mentioned before. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the unboxing. So typically, if it was a normal phone, not necessarily a foldable, they would give you an additional bezel that doesn't have a screen protector, but this one has one because they want you to protect your investment. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with the fitments. So as you see, you can just go ahead and put it on, and we got the back on first, and then we have our front frame. So you're going to take these pieces off, and then there's actually an arrow right here that helps you pull it off, and then voila. So just be careful to, you know, kind of like lightly swipe it and get all the dust out before you put it on, just because you don't want to keep moving this back and forth and losing the adhesiveness of it. And just like that, it is on. Voila. Okay. So right away, what really captures my attention is the clear back. It is very cool and unique. Definitely features, you know, your color or whatever pattern you have. It's definitely still light, so you're not gonna have to worry about you being overly heavy. And you have really good cutouts for this. So we got, you know, the polycarbonate on the back here, and then we got the TPU with the grip, so you're able to, you know, not drop your phone so easily. So, and then you have the features, like you said before, you have your stand here. So when you open it up, you can, you know, read and do any kind of content creating or media. And then we have our prominent cases here. So you can open it all the way up and you have a stand. Now you can watch media and other sorts, and it's protected front and back. Okay. So pretty good. You got the TPU, the polycarbonate, you got the Magsafe. So let's go ahead and go to the next step, which is the wireless charging. Do you have any restrictions? Let's see. So I got my wireless charger here. Let's see if we can hear any of that sound. And no issues, so no restrictions. So it wirelessly charges with no restrictions. So keep that in mind. Next thing we're gonna test is the Magsafe. Is it a strong battery? Let's find out. All right, so I have it on. Now, it's kind of a unique Magsafe position. So my Magsafe ring is right here, but it still nevertheless holds up. So it's definitely, you put it in the right spot, it's definitely gonna be able to, you know, hold the Magsafe magnet. It's very strong. I'm holding it with just 3 fingers, and as you can see, it takes a while for it to drop. So that's pretty cool. Now this has the built-in screen protector. So let's just test to see if the actual, you know, does it mess with any of the screen features on the front facing area here. So I can go in here. Let's see if I wanted to type a message. Let's see here. So it types like a champ. Okay. I can go in and out of applications, no problem. So we have no restrictions when it comes to the front screen for the front part of your foldable. And then let's go ahead and try to open it. Okay, wonderful. So there you have it. Once again, Poetic is coming with another slam dunk of a case. This time it's for your Motorola Razr Fold 2026. I do like it. I do love the camera protection. I do love the fact that you have pretty much every part of this phone covered. You got really good cutouts of your phone. No restrictions there. I can hit the power button here and my volume rocker works. Power button, or the Motorola button, works. You can hear the clickiness of it. Got no restrictions with the USB-C. You got no restrictions with your speaker. So antenna. So all in all, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. And you should pick it up. It is on Amazon. Once again, I'll throw the link in the description. It is about $60. You can get it right now for $53. So let me know what you think about this case and if you're going to pick it up for your Motorola Razr Fold 2026. Once again, this is Julian with Juleon Tech Reviews. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.